Hello friends, welcome to my channel Entertain. Today I am going to unbox and review the Inverter Trolley Buildskill brand. This trolley is model number BIT050. It is used for inverter and battery. You can get it in different colors. Its country of origin pure Indian. Let's unbox it. The product packaging is quite good. Here I found a thin plastic cover on a hard cardboard box. In many inverter trolley brands, the Buildskill is very popular in online marketing sites like Flipkart. You can find the main purchase link in my description. Here are 5 pieces of plastic material I found and 6 pieces of wheel. The wheel's quality also good. Let's assemble the inverter trolley. Yeah, it's done. It took very little time to assemble. Oh, so smooth. The exterior finish is very good. I am sure it can carry a good load. Now I am ready to buy an inverter for my house. Let's talk about its dimension. Its width is 55 cm. Its height 41 cm, depth 22 cm, and weight 5.55 kgs. Oh, it's too heavy because of it is made of quite hard plastic. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.